So this is an update to what my car's been doing. So of course, you know, I said in an earlier video that you turn the key on and the TCM is not communicating, it's lost communication, and that little green E is not there. So what's been working for me is that I'll leave the key in the ignition and I will turn it to the on position all the way at the end, and I'll just kind of like let it sit for, you know, a little bit, and, you know, just wait. Sometimes I'll just put on a song, you know, maybe wait like 5 minutes, maybe 8 minutes, maybe 10 minutes, I don't know, but I'll just let it let it sit, and then, you know, I'll turn it off, then I'll try to turn it on again, and then, you know, if it comes on, it comes on. If not, then I just keep waiting. It is very annoying, but that's all I've done, you know, because I used to just drive it around in second gear and just ride with my hazard lights on. I don't want to do that. That's inconvenient, but this is an inconvenient problem just all around. So if anybody has solved this issue, please let me know. It's very annoying. Like I said, the starter is cool. All the fuses are good. There's no auxiliary battery in this car. And so, you know, I just gotta wait. Another thing, I don't know, the computer, something may be wrong with the computer. I don't know. Because sometimes I'll be driving and then I feel it kind of like jerk. It'll be like a subtle jerk, like, you know, everything reset or something like that. So if anybody knows the answer to this question or this issue, please let me know. I'm gonna try again and we'll see what happens. Okay, nah, it didn't happen. All right. So yeah, just let me know. All right, so it took about, say about 15 minutes, maybe 12. But it probably doesn't take that long. But yeah, either way it started. So there y'all go.